You think you're going to hit me and get away with it? You made a sad mistake.
You heard of a tic-tac?
You think I'm crazy? You're right.
Yeah, that's my jam.
He better not.
Lola!
That's mine.
Nathan!
Yep, it took me months, but I got there in the end.
I got something to say. Oh, forget it. Oh, watch out! Sorry, Dad.
Check me out! I'm working this wardrobe. How's this look? What about this? Hey, what are you doing out there? I'm coming.
Yeah, me too.
Poor girl getting ambushed for food.
You are toast. You are toast. When I say you're toast, when you're toast.
Back off, pal. Go.
Can I smell chicken? Watch this cute pup check himself out.
Hey man, I just made this bed. You're messing it up.
Oh my god. Oh, please stop.
You better
Dad.
be
I'm
scared.
begging you. Like, I'm literally begging. Don't do this. Stella, stop it.
I'm gonna
Stop
jump
it.
right on your lap.
She's pushing it towards me. She's pushing towards me. Please stop it, you mean.
Have some vape, bruh. I don't really want to grab that back.
You think you can disrespect me?
Jesus!
A little privacy? One way of keeping healthy.
When you're trying to get a day off school, but mom's not having it.
And I'm sick of your ass. Get your ass out the house. This is my day off. I need you out. You going to school. Shut up. You are going to school. I don't want to hear it. Keep crying. Let me give you something to cry about. Keep crying.
Someone gonna help me out of here? Never mind.
What is going on here?
Hey, that's your baby.
How my cat gets my attention.
Want something done? Do it yourself.
Hey, Adelaide, look at mommy. Look up at mommy.
Stick to the plan, you guys. Hold on tight, and we are free sailing.
I'm trying, but this boy is making so much fuss.
This pup is not a fan of his claw hand.
Who do you think will give up first?
Unconditional love?
And they're both boys.
You're too little to play.
Tired pup?
Clever little pooch. I'm trying to sleep here. Is this what it's gonna be like at your house?
Step 1 foot closer, kid.
I know I'm in trouble. But it's so worth it.
Help?
Here he goes again with his stupid TikTok pranks.
Yes, I know.
When you're under the influence, but still trying to act cool. And who do you think is gonna clean all this up?
Not me for sure.
Look how excited he is to get to his owner.
In
Enjoy the video? Click to see more and please subscribe.